All right, so we are given the number of units that are sold if the price is 120 as being 9,000. And then we are also given what will happen if we change the price from 120. If we increase a price of 120, we'll have negative 60 units reduction. So what is happening there is that our number of units will go down by 60 as a result of a unit change in the price. Then the other given information is the revenue. Now, revenue specifically refers to the dollar value in terms of what will happen in